Welcome to the single leg dumbbell Romanian deadlift. Fantastic exercise for your hamstrings, glutes, and your balance. So you're going to start by holding the dumbbell in the opposite hand of your standing leg. So as you can see, you keep a slight bend in the knee, but you hinge at the hip, pushing your glutes all the way back. You want to make sure that you keep your back straight here and really squeeze the glutes on the upward movement. So you inhale as you slide that dumbbell down your leg. Let me show you from the front. So you step the alternate leg back and you inhale as you slide the dumbbell down the leg, exhale as you come up, activating the core, squeezing the glutes. Roll those shoulders back, keep the chest open for me. So make sure that you balance yourself by driving through the heel as you squeeze the glutes. Let me show you another side angle here. And really important here that that dumbbell does not leave the front of your leg. You want to maintain contact with the dumbbell down the front of your shin, all the way down until you can feel it kicking into the glute. And that's where you come back up to a standing position. Keep hinging at the hips so that it makes it easier to push the glutes all the way backwards. This is a movement that really isolates the hamstrings and the glutes. So you want to make sure that you can feel it in your hamstrings and your glutes. Use the exhale breath to really activate the core. And don't forget to squeeze the glutes when you come up to a standing position again. Make sure that you keep that core nice and tight to maintain your balance. And if you need to widen your feet, you can do that to help you feel a bit more balanced. But the back foot is kind of stabilizing the front foot. So the back foot is slightly on the toe. Take your time with this exercise. It takes a little bit of getting used to, but it's a great exercise.